Gary Man, Friday break time. You're gonna just open this case, Gary, 1 to 11. Gonna do Pro Set box number 9. 11, 10, and 9. And I just rolled for a Hoops box number 7. I'm gonna do a Hoops and a Pro Set. I feel like something's on my hands. That ever happen to you? I don't feel anything, and I damn sure don't see anything. What does it all mean? But it feels like something's in between my fingers. Why? I don't know. Looks clean. I don't know. Please don't call, I'm wondering why. Feels not like, I don't know what it feels like. Not sticky, but not powdery either. What's up, Ryan? Did you get my email, Ryan? Matt? That Spectra number 2 that we put up filled right up, so I threw you in that one. Where's my phone? Oh, here it is. I don't like people playing on it all that much. Cards Infinity. God, all day long it's just solicitor after like spam call all day long. I put myself on the do not call list. It didn't work. Oh, okay, cool. Sounds good, right? We'll be breaking that momentarily. Matter of fact, Spectra number 1 is next. Then I have to do a personal Spectra, and then Spectra number 2. All 3 Spectra will be next, right after this. What's up, Sci-Fi? It is Friday the 13th. Actually, I got 1 box each of that Mosaic from the distributor, one of the distributors I got Spectra from. So I only got 1 each. They were very tight on it, but they offered me 1 box each, so I took it. This just came out today, called No Huddle. This came out, I think, like 4 or 5 days ago. Either way, I put up both boxes for a numbers break. It's up now if you're interested. That's right, it is Friday the 13th. Mr. Wendell, red. It reminds me. Hey, we cut right to the autograph. Alondas Williams. Cut right to it. Well, break's over. I guess, Gary, we'll just look for the numbered cards. You get a lot of rookies and a lot of inserts. And, of course, a lot of base. Blake West, Jalen. There's a John Morant. John Morant. If he ranted a lot, people could ask him to rant more, and it would be John Morant. If he likes to get his rant on every now and again. Must be some insert set for John Morant. I haven't seen that one. Or maybe we did and I never paid attention. Some sort of John Morant insert. Number to 22. Guess who? John Morant. Jaden Ivey. Number to 2022, Spencer Dinwiddie. Steph Curry, Darius Garland, upside down purple. Giannis and them. Jaden. That might be a short print. I don't know. The Hoopla foil. The Hoopla papers are not for sure. But I don't remember hitting a lot of, matter of fact, any foil Hooplas. That may be, just maybe, a short print. Max Christie. This one is Luke Tavers, 15 of 99 green. Tyrese Halliburton. There's a paper Hoopla, not the foil version of LeBron. Paolo Banchero. Yeah, I don't remember hitting any foil Hooplas now that I think about it. I hit a million of the standard common ones. I don't remember hitting one chrome foil Hoopla. I don't know. David, Jaden Ivey, Jordan Clarkson, upside down purple. Jimmy Butler. AD. Another foil here. AJ Griffin. Now playing at a theater near you. That's correct. Johnny Davis. Here's another foil. KD, numbered to 199. It reminds me that it's not so bad. All right. Stack all that up for you, Gary, and now check out Pro Set. Corey Kiner. That one is 3 of 5. Trayshawn Holden. 2 of 15. DeMarvin Leal. 2 of 5. Ty Simpson. 24 of 25. Cole Turner. 16 of 30. And Garrett Wilson. Actually, a very solid wide receiver there. 2 of 5. Only 5 of those tiger striped. Gary, man, I appreciate it, buddy. I'll get it on the way.